Hey, what's up? This your boy Norris. I'm here again with another fabric haul. I know y'all looking for my May makes video, but it's coming next weekend. I haven't photographed one that looks, and I don't have that many, so I have to wait on that. But let me get right into this fabric haul. First, I'm just gonna get one out the way. I got it from Michael Levine just yesterday. My girlfriend is doing an all-white collection on her blog this month, and by chance I saw this and we got a little extra for myself. It's some type of sweater knit and it's really light, so I'm gonna use it like a summer sweater almost. It gets kind of cool in LA at night, so this would be perfect for that. Now, since that out the way, I want to get into this good stuff. So over the past few years, Mimi and I has built a really good relationship with We Are the Fabric Store, located in the west side of LA on La Brea Street. But they're closing the shop down and we're sorry to see them go. But the last time that we was in there, they got a call from their owners once they found out that we were in the store, and they gave us a certain amount of credit to shop that day, just to say thank you for all the reposting and all the traffic and stuff that Mimi and I, mostly Mimi, has sent business to them. So for me, I don't do too much fabric shopping. I'm very particular, but on this day, on the amount of credit they gave us, everything looked attractive to me. So I was a real one. Like, I kept it I kept it real street in there. So I was like, man, all this is what? I was like, all right, cool. So I end up just finding so much stuff. And some of the stuff I might even like once I get it, you know what I'm saying, up on the machine, but it was free. I was like, let's do it. So let me just go ahead and get into this. So the first one is a polyester. I wanted to make a short sleeve button-up shirt. I've been into those lately, and I think this will make a really good shirt. The wind will blow it, and it's gonna be real cool. Next is this. This is more of like a tropical wool. It's a plaid fabric. I'm using this for a three-piece suit. The jacket, the vest, and the pants. But just give you a heads up, you probably won't see this until maybe towards the end of the summer, because I just finished the plaid suit and I don't want that kind of heat right now. That was a beast. This right here is the lining that goes with this right here. So that's what the lining is gonna look like. I think that's gonna be cold. But like I said again, you won't see this for a minute because I'm kind of over plaid right now in the moment, although it's my favorite stuff to work with. This next one, this right here is a, what is this, babe?
A merino. Oh no, that's a terry knit.
This is a terry knit. So I'm gonna make some wide leg drop crotch cropped sweatpants. I know it's a lot, but trust me, they're gonna be fire. And I might even put a cuff on the bottom of them. But these are gonna be real slick. And I got enough for YouTube, babe. So we both could like rock some real fresh. This one right here is a hot pink version of that. I know what you're thinking. Yes, I'm gonna rock some drop crotch, wide leg sweatpants. Same type of terry knit, and I think these are gonna be lit. All right. Next, we have merino wool. This is a jersey?
They're knits. Yeah,
knits.
They're merino wool jerseys.
All right. I hope y'all heard all that. Merino wool jerseys. This right here, it's just gonna be a regular white t-shirt. I got enough for both of us. You can never have too many white t-shirts. And I got a red one. I think I'm gonna do this in my Simplicity. I can't think of the number, but it's a raglan sleeve shirt. So it's gonna be all red though. I'm not gonna do any contrasting colors at all. I'm gonna do everything in this solid red. Oh no, I might do the Henley too. I'm not sure, but I got enough of both. And this last one is some type of mystery fabric. And I call it mystery fabric because I was like, babe, what do I call this when I start the video? She was like, oh no, that's mystery fabric. So neither one of us know. But what I am gonna do with this, I'm gonna make some fire, listen now, some fire bell bottoms. I know what you're thinking. Bell bottoms, come on bro, you outdated, it's gonna be whack. Trust me, these are gonna be lit. and I'm gonna do a matching jacket, sort of like a denim jacket. So I'm gonna have like a little casual suit set. So leave comments, please give me some feedback, especially on this particular one. I want to get your take on me rocking some bell bottoms. I wonder if you think I can pull it off or not. I know I can, but we gonna see. So yep, that's it. This is the first time I've ever went to a fabric store and I left with more stuff than my girl because she goes ham. And me, I'm a little bit on the conservative side because I don't want to mess up too much fabric, and I just want particular things. But I don't know. I'm gonna try to make all of this right here work. All right. All right. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave me a comment. I love feedback. If you think it's whack, if you think it's gonna be a good idea, whatever you think it is, just hit me up in the comments. Also subscribe to my channel once a week. I'm always gonna give you something. If I don't, hit me up and bug me about it. All right. Until next time, see you next week. It's some type of sweater knit. Sweater? I can't talk. Oh, I can't think of the number. But it's a, what is it?
Baseball team?
Man, I'm messing this video up. What is it?
Baseball team?
No, it's not a
Raglan team?
Raglan sleeve shirt. Thanks again for watching this video. Please click the link in the description box below for anything I might, I don't know what I'm linking to. All right, thanks for watching. Hold on, how long have you had it off like that?
Just now.
Oh, okay.